You don't have to do this alone. I'd give you the sun. You make me feel so young. Tell me your feelings.
Am I really that much? And breaking these niggas down like a hammer. You don't really know you are.
Hey lovies, welcome to my YouTube channel, baby. Welcome, guys. As promised, I'm giving you guys a vlog on a Friday. I'm trying to be consistent, I'll be posting every Friday, for you guys. And before we say or do anything, can we appreciate this small thingy? Because it's giving like a YouTube content creator, like an influencer, but
so we don't have the capacity.
welcome to my YouTube channel, lovies. If you're a new subscriber or someone who's just passing by my channel, thank you so much, guys. I hope you're going to like the content that I share here. So today's video is a weekly vlog whereby I'll be preparing for my winter semester. I'm in my 4th semester, like I said in my last vlog. So I'm just preparing to start my semester on a good note, and some little girly stuff in there. So you guys just watch it and comment. Oh, before I forget, do you see my hairstyle? Do you see my hairstyle? If you're interested, just check Linda's Styles on Instagram. I'll take it later on. Without further ado, let's get right into the vlog. You laughed.
Guys, I highly recommend. I've tasted heartbreak. I've tasted being loved. I highly recommend being loved.
Someone
I highly recommend.
Someone is now someone's girlfriend officially. Officially. But then, good morning, guys. How are you? Welcome to my channel. Let's go and do my hair. See ya.
was at this moment that he knew he fucked up.
Ja się nazywam Zośka.
I hate to say this, but yeah, this is the end of the video. Like I said, guys, I'll be posting every Friday. I'm trying to, get content out there every Friday and, just give you guys updates. So yeah, thank you so much for watching my digital diary series of like uni series, and see you in my next upload. Love you guys. Bye.